Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to loop through different workbooks and worksheets using VBA. So by running this code we will get all the workbooks name which are currently open, and we will also get the worksheets name which are present inside the all opening workbooks. So I have opened two workbooks here, and I just wanted to check how many worksheets are present inside the two workbooks. So for this I have to click on the developer tab and I have to click open the Visual Basic editor. So I have already opened the Visual Basic editor, and so let's check what code will do the work for us. First you have to declare the variable. I have declared workbook as the name of book, sheet as worksheet, text as string. So inside the text we will store the workbook's name and the worksheet's name, and I have written a for each loop, which means it will go all the workbooks one by one, and inside this for each workbook I have write sheet. What it will do, it will check all the worksheets which are present inside the workbook. So this text function will store the sheet name, because I have write down the function sheet.Name, and this is the total output. Here first it will store the workbook name and then it will take the worksheets name also. Then I have closed the second loop first, and then I have closed the first loop, and I will show you in the message box. The output will shown in the message box. So let's check. So we will check one by one. You can use the F8 or else you will click on the step into option. So it's checking all the workbooks and worksheets. Now it will give you an output. As we have two workbooks open, so it is running two times. See, first workbooks we have only one sheet, and for workbooks 2 we have 3 worksheets. So I'm showing you here the loop workbook underscore worksheets is contain only one worksheets, and sales.calculator it contains 3 worksheets here. So let's check manually. See, loop workbook underscore worksheets is contain only one worksheet here, and sales.calculator it contains 3 worksheets here. So that's it for this video.